It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, Embrace 2 external memory control, Embrace mobile application, driver memory seats, and power heated mirrors. Of the GLA, Cars.com writes, "Quiet and smooth with long legs, this compact Benz loves the highway." Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,